Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can register and make an account on Pinduoduo. And in this video at the end you're going to understand how to use Pinduoduo and how to make an account. Now first one is download the WeChat app, and after opening the application press the register button, which is right here. First you need to press the button in the lower right corner. To attach your bank to Pinduoduo, you need to select the specify section and continue. When you enter the product page, you will see that there's two price methods below. In Pinduoduo, it is possible to buy the product in two options, either as a group or individually. With the group option, Pinduoduo offers a more affordable price. These are the sections that you can buy on Pinduoduo, the best offers that you can get on Pinduoduo. And here are some of the frequently asked questions. So, to sign up, I'm going to scroll all the way to the top and I'm going to press the sign up button. Once you've pressed on the sign up button, you're going to put in your details. Now, if you want to translate it to English, please right click and then press translate to English. You're going to put in your email address, your phone number, your password, and your password. That's how you can register on Pinduoduo. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.